Morning. We are playing Chase the Bottle. So here they go. Get it, River. Get it, 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 get it. She's definitely trying. Okay. All right. See if she can get one. Tackle him, River. Get him. Get him, get him, get him. Do you think... Did you just throw that at her head? She should get that one by default. I know, right, River? Okay. Guess that's what happens when you have an older brother. Okay, let's not, break my ceiling.
River can't tackle me.
Well, maybe we should let her get one. Oh, River, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. She's like, no, I don't see it. There it is. Let her get it, Gage. Okay. Maybe she'll get this one. Maybe not. She's like, it's too much work. Do you see it, River? Oh. All right. Why don't we end this by letting your sister grab one? She's leading with her belly.
I psyched her.
You psyched her? All right, last one, Rev.
River, behind you.
Yeah, she's one. I don't think she quite understands the concept of behind you. All right, well, I guess we're going to keep on throwing the bottle. It's a new rainy day thing to do.